Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another episode. It's snowing right now, but it's not a big deal. I was gonna go to PA today, but I guess we're going tomorrow because my dad's coming today. So we can't just go and he comes and then we're not here. We're probably gonna go tomorrow. Originally, we're going tomorrow, but then we thought about going today. But then my dad told me he's coming today, so we're going tomorrow morning to see our uncle and have a good weekend. So yeah, let's get this day going and let's make it wonderful. Huh? Okay. It's 20 minutes. I don't know if I did the intro, but welcome to the episode. Okay. Went to work. It is snowing. I'm still going to PA tomorrow. Once I go tomorrow. My dad is coming today. I hope he still comes. He said he's coming 100%. That's why he's going tomorrow. If he wouldn't come today, we would have gone today. I've explained. I think the last clip. Hopefully he's still there. For some reason I'm doing that. But yeah. Going back to the mail room, just took somebody, assistant principal, back up. She was here. She looked at our work site and took her back up. And now we're going back to get ready with the guys, and we're about to head out. I was gonna buy lunch today, but I have no time, so I'd rather go in the afternoon or later when I have time and get myself pizza, and then get pizza from the boys. Pizza. Yeah, and then go. Look, I'm good. Stuck. So I was gonna go to Burger King, but then I gotta have a gas and time. So yeah, I'll go get, like I usually do on Fridays after. After go uptight, I go to 7-Eleven and get myself some pizza and then eat on the tray. And then I'll eat it there. So yeah. See ya. In there. Oh well, something spectacular is happening in there. But I ain't clapping and we went outside in the snow. You ready? You ready to go outside in the snow? Let's see the snow. It is snowing. I'm going to run in the snow. So yeah, let's go and catch him when I'm inside another place. I can see Maria. Crib. Come on. Pizza. Oh, gonna go now. Meet up with people. Yeah.
The car is empty up there.
You wanna go away? What car are we going to? I don't really care.
It's empty. It's empty right here.
Alright, fuck. We get in somewhere.
It's empty, right?
You just wanna keep walking down?
Huh?
You just wanna keep walking down?
I wanna go far. No, go to the empty car, that's why.
Sort of empty. It's good enough for us. Not much of us anyways. I got my, whatever, my mic. But I said let's put this in place and let's get the unboxing started. Alright. We're good. Alright, YouTube. So I got my new microphone. Hopefully it works with my phone. I don't know, but let's see. Got this microphone. It's a Neewer. New brand is called Neewer. Double package, nothing else. Double package. It's Neewer. Their company. I used their product before. I got their microphone amplifier. I thought I had their mic. My brother has their mic, so their product we have in a brand we have in the house. So yeah, I bought their mic because it was inexpensive and I wanted to see if it works with my vlogging rig. That's my cell phone. It's my camera broke. Okay, so we got a mic here. Oh snap. This is what you get for $5? Oh my gosh. I got a mic, another mic, another mic. This is the coolest. I only paid, oh man, it's great. Look at it, 3 mics. Ha! Ha! So we got 3 mics for my phone. Yeah. Let me open one up to show y'all. Right in this little unboxing. As you can see, it has a little fiber cloth to keep the wind away. This is where you plug it. See, as you can see, it only has 2 because it's a mic. So yeah, I got this one and I got 2 extra ones. So yeah, this is my mic, my vlogging camera. We'll do a test and of it. Coffee's ready, so we'll do a test in a second. Excited. See what I mean? See, as you can see, this is their unbox. See, it says Neewer, Neewer, and look, same concept on here. So you know, I've been buying a product. Oh yeah, let me see if I can show you one more. One more. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it. My brother has the same brand. So it's Neewer, Neewer.
Record a video.
It's working. We'll find out now. Let's see how it sounds. I would never let it go like this. Huh. You would never say you want to know. I'm gonna test the mic in different situations. Let's try. I am the one never say you can see. If yeah, I think it'll work. I'll keep it on and we'll see how my day goes and see. We'll just rock with it.
Untie this.
Rock with it. I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to get the settings. I ended up deleting the clip. Last clip. Ugh. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna use my computer. It's already up. But I'm gonna have to wait until it comes. I'm hooked. All I had is a pizza. Sure glad I got that pizza because I only had a slice of pizza because they ran out of pepperoni at 7-Eleven. I ate the last slice. But damn. Still hungry. I want to eat. Tummy needs some food in his tummy. So yeah, let's do a quick test. This is without the microphone plugged in. It's just a normal phone camera as I talk to y'all. And then this is how it sounds. This is the test. 1, 2, no microphone. Now this is with the external microphone. Let's see if it works. Test. Jason's your boy. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. Hi. So yeah, with the external, I got it in my shirt right there. So yeah. Test 1, 2. So what I'm about to do is about to watch some YouTube videos. Cause you know why not? Why not? It looks like the new Fast and Furious is gonna be in Cuba. Cause they say how'd you like Cuba, and I didn't see Cuba in the last one, so this they're gonna be in Cuba now. This one is a faith. It's the biggest movie of the year. Vin Diesel turns back on them. Damn, this is hard, but it's gonna be an exciting one to see. Trust me, we're gonna see it. It's gonna be awesome. Y'all, I was looking at the end of the video of Pitbull and J Balvin and Heyma, and it tells you it's the new Fast and Furious. Not called Fast and Furious. It's called the Faith of the Furious. It's the album. This album's gonna have Pitbull, J Balvin. Gonna have Little Uzi Verse, and Quavo and Travis Scott. You already know. It's gonna have G-Eazy and Kalia. It's gonna have more artists like Migos. You can have Lil Yachty, Post Lamone, Wiz Khalifa, Jeremiah, Young Thug, T.Y. Dolla and more. Man, this is crazy. There's gonna be some. Oh, mom. You go like watch the movie. Like it was lit, and then listen to the album. It's lit. You ready? Team fell asleep. Damn, son. I done done something. But I'll tell the vlog. Okay, easy. I got some news. Nick is gonna be dropping a disc with Drake and Lil Wayne on the track. This is Meet Me on Remy Ma. You know, why not, right? This Remy Ma and this Mick and all the people this what they got this crazy. I don't care if they have features. You can claim that she had features on the track. But y'all like my niggas Drake? About time for me some Drake music. Hey, look at Charlie. Finished making a remix of my song. I just did a remix. You can hear it, Tory Lanez in the background. Yeah. Second version, I made a first version. This is one of my mixtapes I released a while ago. I said, when I make a remix. My verse already finished. I already heard it. I'm about to hear the second verse. So yeah, the remix. Listen. My wife said, "Woo, remix." therapy. I was cracking up earlier. Man, I'm back therapy. I always gets me sometimes. Makes me feel good. Last I'm back therapy. Makes me feel good. Last I'm back therapy. So, I'm waiting for my pops. He said he'll be here by 6 or 7. It's already past 7. It's already past 6. I ain't get a call and I haven't called him. Seriously. I'm starving out here. Starving out here. I don't know what's taking him so long. The one to bug his phone, saying, "Where are you?" Cause then right before everything goes wrong. But we're just waiting. And I'm gonna keep waiting. And I hope he gets here soon. So I gotta go get ready. My pops is here. Let me go wake up my brother. Pa's here. Downstairs. Hey, chillax. Yeah, he just called just now. He said I'm downstairs. Just tell Steven. Alright. So, hey, Charlie, that was me. Sheesh. So we're gonna go down now. Go to the car. And go meet up with him. So yeah, I'm outside. Cat. Ooh. It is pretty cold. Ah, damn group chat. Gotta mute the group chat. Can't have the volume while I go see my dad. Go. Bing! I'll mute the group chat for now. Love this mic. Nah, you can hear me. I don't know why I just said that. Something big there. But yeah, I'm going to the car now. Catch up. About to get some food. About to fill up my tummy. Some bullets to ribs. Ooh, it's gonna be bless. Let's go get some food. I'm cool with that. Made it this bad. This is. Let's go get some food. What time is it? 8:51 is almost 9 o'clock. Gotta shower soon and get ready for bed. You know, it's about to be end of the time. So yeah, getting late. Finish eating. I put the rest left over in the fridge. So I was full. And yeah. Going to the store because we ran out of toilet paper. So I'm gonna go pick some up from the pharmacy. See what I can get. Pharmacy. See if we can get paper. Got it. We're good. I use my points to get those discounts. I feel weird. I use my mic. So yeah, I got the points and go home now because we're good now. I think I'm here and see. I'm about to go shower, get myself cleaned up. You know, good shower for a good sleep. I'm gonna take another shower in the morning. So yeah, that was I'm waking up at 7:30. That was 7. I'll go get the shower, hit the J, get cleaned up. Tonight, catch you when I'm out. In the shower. So yeah, I want to thank y'all for watching today's video, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. If you haven't, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. Shower. So you can go to sleep. Huh? Yeah. Peace.